Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Airtable account credentials with n8n. So we have this blank canvas of workflow inside n8n and let's connect trigger manually node to trigger it, and the main goal is to use Airtable node. Search for Airtable, click it here, and you can select any action here. So for this example we can choose to create a record, and when you come here you have to connect your credentials with. I already have my connections, so for your case, if you are new to n8n, you have to click on create new credentials, and here we have two options to connect our credentials with our access token or auth2. So this is the easiest way to connect Airtable to n8n with access token. So first thing I do, just change my name so I can differentiate if I have multiple connections. So change the name here, and here we need to put the access token. And so for in order to get the access token, you have to go to your Airtable account, click on your profile, click on Builder Hub, and here in the developer section you have to click on this personal access tokens. I already have there. Then you have to click on create token. I already have my tokens here, but for you, you have to create token here. You have to put a name here. So I'm gonna use the same name here as well. And this is the important thing when we are adding our scope. So mostly what I do, I select all the scopes because I use multiple times n8n and there are a lot of different use case. So instead of selecting the scope, I select all the scopes, and once you select all the scopes, the next thing you need to select your access. So if you want to just access to one of your base, you can click on add a base here, and you can select a base here. So these API token connected with this base. So when you retrieve this in n8n, you only have access of this n8n base. But what I usually do for my own use case, I select on add all resources. So it connect all the current and future bases with my Airtable to n8n. So I don't need to go there to create a new access token for each base. So this is for my own personal use case. But let's say you are sharing with someone or you have different use case, then you can select add a base as well. But for now, I select all current and future base and then simply create the tokens. And once the token is created, you can simply copy it from here and just mark this as a done. Go back to your n8n, and here you can paste your access token here and then just simply save it. Once you save it, you have this message here, credentials successfully created. Then you can close it, and now you have the option to select your credentials. So we just created this with Airtable to n8n credentials, and we want to create a record. And if you click on the bases from list, and now when you click it, you have access of all the bases you have, right? Because we select all the bases. But if you select just one base, okay, then you have to access just one base. For now we have multiple base, so let's say I select this base, and I can select any table inside the base. So I select this table, and I want to create a record. So just put any value here and let's test it. And now you can see it successfully gave us the output. It means it connects correctly and it work as well. So this is how you can connect your Airtable to n8n. If you have any question, let me know. Thanks.